What is up, everybody? How's it going? This is Zaid, and I'm really excited today because I'm finally going to start my first course on YouTube, that is the HTML5 crash course. Now, I just can't wait to start this course right away. So, without any further ado, let's begin. Alright, so the first thing that you need to do is to install a code editor where you can start coding, okay? So there are a ton of code editors out there like Sublime Text, Atom, Notepad++, Visual Studio Code, and many others. But the one that developers highly recommend is Visual Studio Code, or VS Code for short, because of the productiveness it offers to the developers, the cool extensions, and it's the best. Alright, so what you need to do is to just type Visual Studio Code download, okay, and then just go to the official website of Visual Studio Code and just click the download button according to the operating system you're on. Okay, so right now I'm in a Mac, so I'm just gonna click download for Mac, and then you should see the download has been started. Alright, okay, so once the download is complete, you just have to go to your downloads and you should see the zip folder. So you just have to run it, and then you should see Visual Studio Code. Alright, okay, I already have it on my desktop. Good. So if you open this, it's gonna look something like this. So this is the official page of Visual Studio Code. Alright, so let me just walk you through these icons real quick. So this is the Explorer where you have all your coding files. Okay, so this is a folder on my desktop. Let me just show you. This is the folder, and inside that I have multiple files. Okay, these are the coding files. And then this is the search place where you can search anything in your code. Alright, so now we're not going to talk about this because it might confuse you, so we're gonna keep this for later time. Now, and this is the most coolest place I like in Visual Studio Code because of the awesome extensions out there. Okay, you are going to love this in the upcoming videos. Alright, so yeah, that is it for today's video, and this is how you download Visual Studio Code on your computer. Okay, so yeah, in the next video we are probably going to start with the HTML format and the heading tags. Alright, so yeah, that is it for today's video, and I'll see you next time.